What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another random video. Today we're going to be looking at replacing this continuous use solenoid for a manual battery switch. Let's check it out. This switch is made by Joint World. I got it from Amazon for 20 bucks. I am not sponsored, so I paid for it. Inside we got the instructions, pretty basic. 2 wires. Here's the switch itself. Got the on and off, and on the back side just 2 posts. Comes with some covers, some eye hooks, and a mounting bracket. So before we get started, we want to make sure we have no power going to the back. So we turn off our circuit breaker. And next, we're going to do the ground on the auxiliary battery. Now we're going to undo all the wires. We're going to start with these on top and then take out the ones on the side. With the wires off, we can undo the screws on the back. Solenoid out of the way, we can see where we're going to put the bracket. I don't know if I want to leave it flush or a little bit higher, depending on the height of the switch itself. Okay, get the mount in place. Screw it on the terminals on the back side. Now we take off this little screw. That's the lock washer. And it looks like I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Nope, got it. And we'll just tighten this down and put the cap back on. Okay, got it in there tight. Put the lever back on. And that'll be on the on position and on the off. Now we can put our ground back on. Tie this. Now we can turn our circuit breaker back on. Let's go check it out. So there it is, it's all done. And we have 12.4. It's on the off position. So the reason I replaced this one, so this is a mechanical, when you turn the key, it makes connection with the auxiliary battery. The reason I removed it is because it does get hot, which means it's using a lot of power, because once you turn on the ignition key, you create a magnet that closes the circuit. But because of that, this gets very hot. So I went with a manual, that way I can turn it off or on whenever I need it, and just go that route. Alright, so I got the van turned on, and we're at 12.2. It's on the off position. We're going to turn it on. And looks like my alternator hasn't kicked in yet. There it is, it's kicking in. So, turn it back off. We're down to 12. So, the switch works. I'll see you on the next video.